This portion of orientation will be covering the TerraState Catalog and Student Handbook. To find the catalog from our website, select under Quick Links, Current Students. This will take you to a variety of student resources, but what we're concentrating on is going to be the catalog. Notice that there's usually more than one catalog listed, so please select the most appropriate catalog. The academic calendar is extremely important. It is going to list a wide variety of dates that will be extremely important to you and your success as a TerraState student. Please take note of the start and end of the semesters, and know that Terra offers 16, 14, 12, and 2 different 8-week terms during a normal semester, which would be fall and spring, and it also offers a variety of terms in the summer. It will also list holidays, breaks, due dates for payments, add and drop, and withdrawal information. Under Admissions and Enrollment Services, we just want to remind you that official high school transcripts or GE transcripts are required. If you've not already done so, please contact your high school or the State Department of Education to request a copy be sent immediately to TerraState. Your high school transcript must be official and include your graduation date. GED transcripts must also be official and should include your test scores. Official transcripts must be in a sealed envelope and signed by the authorized representative. Academic policies and procedures. You'll notice there's a variety of information that will be very vital to your success as a TerraState student. Under the academic definitions, terms to know, credit hours, electives, enrollment status, prerequisites would include co-requisites, are all listed here. The dismissal policy, academic integrity, academic probation, but we want to focus at this point on your academic workload. Please notice if you're taking 12 or more hours, you're considered a full-time student. 9 or 11 hours, you're a 3/4 time student. 6 to 8 hours, a half-time student, and 1 to 5 hours is less than half-time. Students will need to take more than 12 hours if they would like to complete a program in 2 years. This may also affect your financial aid status, so please be aware. Here we're going to look at your attendance policy, which is extremely important. It's going to have the no-show policy, and this is going to be for our students who are taking seated classes or online classes. You have to attend your classes. You could be dropped from your classes for non-attendance. So please be aware and read this policy. Here we see that there's class schedules. It's going to give you information on where to find it and how to determine what type of class you're taking. It's going to talk once again about dropping classes and various information in this area as well. Under college policies and procedures, we're going to really concentrate on the Student Code of Conduct. It is your responsibility to know and understand the Student Code of Conduct. As part of the State of Ohio educational system, TerraState has courses in both general education and in specific majors that are approved by the Ohio Board of Regents and transfer to any other state, college, or university. If your intention is to transfer after completing your program at TerraState, it is never too early to meet with a transfer advisor. For our overview of programs, you'll see we have a variety of programs available to students. From this list, you will see we have applied degrees, transfer degrees, technical studies and individualized studies, and certificate programs. A nice wide variety for many students. Programs and degrees. I'm going to show you accounting as an example. You'll notice that it talks about the program, tells you a variety of information. including potential occupations. As you will notice, it's an Associate of Applied Business, and the specific major is accounting. With your technical courses, you will see those are the courses that are your accounting courses. Then you'll see general education and related courses. Students with this major will notice that they have 66 to 69 hours required in order to complete the requirements for this major. You'll notice it has ACC listed 1100, which is financial accounting, and the credit hours is a 4 credit hour class. ACC stands for the department, and 1100 is the number for the course. You'll notice that there is a sheet for every program in which TerraState offers. Please take the time to go through and look at the various programs, as you may find a program that has courses that you're more interested in. We want to make sure you understand how to read the course descriptions. If you'll notice that this is a CHM 1620, which stands for Chemistry 1620, specifically General Chemistry 2. We have 0 lab hours. There's 4 lecture hours for a total of 4 credit hours for this particular course. You'll notice where it says prerequisites, it's a C or better in CHM 1610 and CHM 1650, and a co-requisite of CHM 1625. A prerequisite is a course that a student must have prior to taking this course. A co-requisite means that you are taking the course at the same time. You will see then that there's a description of the course to give you some idea of what the course will be covering. At the end, you'll see in parentheses, spring. That means that this course is going to be offered spring semester. You'll want to take special note when you're signing up for classes that are only offered one semester, that if you do drop this class, it will not be available for you to take for an entire year. On occasion, courses are offered more than what is listed in the catalog, so you'll want to check your course schedule to see if the course is indeed offered other than the semester that is listed in the catalog. This will wrap up our section of the catalog. Once again, please know that you are responsible for the information in the student handbook part of this book. So please be familiar with it and get a chance to read through it and have a general idea on some areas and be very well informed in others. Thank you, and remember, you can start here and go anywhere.